Separating is never an easy decision to make. How a couple separates is unique to them. It might be a long process or happen very quickly. If there is time to reflect before telling your partner, perhaps think about some of these issues, whether you'll be the one moving out or you want your partner to move out. It's not a straightforward decision. You might also want to think about your housing options, where you might live on an interim basis and where you would like to live for the longer term. Also your income requirements, will you need financial help from your partner? Think through the options for the arrangements for the care of the children, just so that they can spend time with both of you. You may also wish to consider issues such as whether to change or make a will, particularly as you may not wish your partner to benefit from your estate on your death. As well as think about things like changing nominations for pensions or insurances. If you're married and you have an international connection, this is really important because you might need to take some steps without telling your partner in order to protect your position. In these circumstances, the timing and location of the divorce or dissolution jurisdiction can be critical. Take early legal advice so you've got an understanding of all of these issues before you take the plunge. The short answer is no, at least not before you've checked your legal position. If you jointly own your home with your partner or share the tenancy of a rental property, or if you're married or in a civil partnership, you both have an equal right of occupation. If the court has made an occupation order in your favour, this is a type of injunction which regulates who can live in a property or a part of a property. You don't have the right to change the locks without the other person's permission. If you do, you risk criticism from the court and will likely have to provide them with a key. If you leave, you might inadvertently limit your options for spending time with your children and possibly restrict your ability to return to the property, or simply indicate to your partner that the pressure is off, which can sometimes then cause a delay in reaching a settlement. Do talk this point through with a solicitor before making the decision so that your solicitor can provide advice specific to your circumstances. Well, in some situations, leaving the home in an emergency is unavoidable and absolutely necessary to protect you as well as your children. The police and family law offer a number of remedies to protect you and any children, including occupation orders and non-molestation orders. This is another type of injunction used to protect a person from violence, harassment and threats. It can also include a provision to prevent a person coming within a certain distance of you, including coming to your home or your workplace. More information about going to see a solicitor or considering non-court options is available on our website.